Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find all muted profiles on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and to find profiles, stories, posts, reels, or notes that you have muted in the past. Go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and then click the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and select Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down until you see muted accounts under the What You See section, and there you'll see all the accounts that you have muted, and under those accounts you'll see which type of video you have muted from them. So from Kylie Jenner, I muted their posts, stories, and notes, and from Vogue magazine, I muted their stories and notes. So if you want to unmute, just click unmute and select everything that you want to unmute. And you may also have the option to just unmute some of the media or medium that they have. So that's it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!